So I'm gonna show you how to max the image like this, from this to this. Let's go, let me show you. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so this is my image right now, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click here. Okay, just going to click this side. Okay, and choose the second one, this two. So when you choose it, make sure you hold shift. So when you hold shift, this the size is going to get. Okay, so when you hold shift and get a size, make sure you just bring your image to this side. Okay, so let me just push this one to around here and make it to the down here, and then you just press any you just click any the tools here and convert this to just normal, and then duplicate this image. Okay, the first image, the layer 1 to 2, Ctrl J is going to give you all the shortcuts. You can click left, click and just move to the duplicate layer. So okay, we're going to hide this one, and we're going to show the first one. We're going to hide the copy, and we're going to show the first layer one, and then hold Alt. So when you hold Alt, this is how you're going to get it, and then you just bring this one out. So when you bring this one out, make sure you just move to this select and move to the subject. So the subject is going to crop it. So simple for you. So let's wait for just some little time. So that's it, and then hold Ctrl plus J. Okay, so when you hold plus J, this is what you're gonna get, and delete the first one. This is what you're gonna get, and then use the eraser tool. This one, the eraser tool, and make sure you clean the inside. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So this is what I'm just showing you today. So guys, it's very simple to do. Okay, you can see the image here. Okay, that's it. So guys, I'm awake. Subscribe to my page. I'll see you there for next video. Bye.